Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about iPhone and its feature, and I would like to show you the way how you can create or customize your own notification whenever you charge your phone and your phone's got full. So how to get that, you just need to slide your home screen into the left side, and then you just need to tap in the search button here, shortcuts, and then you just need to open the application. And please go visit right away the automation, which is the middle section. Go click this plus button, and then you just need to scrolling down and find the battery level. And the next thing you need to do is adjusting what level that you want to get the notifications letter. So here I would like to make like a 90% or 95. Okay, and the next thing you need to do is just go click this equals, or you can also choose this rises above. And the next thing you need to do is change the run after confirmation into run immediately to run it automatically. Now you just need to click next, and please click this paste text. Now preparing the text that you want to get for the notification. I will let to go type it's 95% already. Unplug your charger. And right after that, you just need to go click done. So whenever you charge your iPhone and then the battery level is about like 95 or above, you will get the notifications that pop up on your iPhone. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you found this tutorial today is very useful for you. Hopefully we can meet again into other tutorial.